Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the problems from exercise 1.1, sum number 1 and 2. The first problem is which of the following assets justify our answer. So here we are going to find which of the statements are sets. So set is a well-defined collection of objects. So the first question is the collection of all months of the year beginning with the letter J. So there are 12 months in a year. So we are going to write the months which have the starting letter as J. So we know that January, June and July starts with the letter J. So this 3 months cannot be changed. So this is a well-defined collection and this collection is a set. Second problem is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So here the word they have given is most talented writers. So if I think one writer is most talented, you may think another person is most talented. So this collection is not well defined. This may vary from person to person. So this collection is not a set. Third question is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So one person may think one batsman talent is best and another person may think another batsman is best. So this collection of 11 cricket batsmen is also a not well defined set. So this is not a set. Third problem is the collection of all boys in your class. So here they have given the condition that the collection of boys in your class. So in your class there may be 20 boys or 10 boys. So you can count the number of boys in your class. So this collection is a countable collection and it is a well defined. So this collection of boys in your class is a set. Fifth is the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. And they have given the statement as natural numbers less than 100. So from starting from 1 till 100. So this collection is countable collection and it is a well-defined collection. So we can say that the collection of all natural numbers less than 100 is a set. Sixth is a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So the writer has written 13 novels. So this collection is a countable set. So if the statement has given that in any novels or books written by any writer, they have been written only a countable number of novels. Any writer can write any number of novels. So the novels can be counted. So this collection is a well defined collection. So we can say that this is a set. The collection of all integers, even integers. So integers from we can be counting, and here they have given only even integers, collection of all even integers. So it is a well defined collection. So we can say that this is a set. And the eighth problem is the collection of questions in this chapter. So a chapter may have many exercises and it may have a possible one exercise. For example, the chapter 1 has exercise 1. You have 6 problems in it. So you can count the number of questions in a chapter. So this collection is a well defined collection and we can say that this collection is a set. Ninth subdivision is a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. So for me, lion can be most dangerous animal, and for you tiger can be most dangerous animals. So the collection of most dangerous animals may vary from person to person, and it's not a well defined one. So this collection is not a set. So mostly if in the statement, if it is given most, best, talented, so like these type of question, you can directly say that it will not be a set, because these characteristics may vary from person to person. So the second problem is, they have given set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belong or not belong to in the blank spaces. And they have given us 6 subdivisions. So we have to fill the blanks spaces with belong or belong not does not belong to. So here the set they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First subdivision is 5. So we have to check whether 5 is there in the set. Here you have 5. So 5 belongs to A. Next they have given second of subdivision is 8. See, you have only numbers till 6. 8 is not present here. So 8 does not belong to A. Next is 0. The number starts from 1. 0 is not there in the set. So 0 does not belong to the set A. Fourth is 4 is in the set. So 4 belongs to A. Fifth subdivision is 2. 2 is in the set. So 2 belongs to A. Last question is 10. There is no 10 here. So 10 does not belongs to A. So we have found the collections which are set and which are not set, and you have understand how to check whether the given element belongs to the or does not belongs to the set. We'll solve the next problems in the next video.